It gets deep right here, bro. It's like super sandy though. It's deep on that side. Let's see if you can see it through my glasses. Oh yeah, you can see through my glasses. I'm gonna drop the camera on my wrist for a second. Nothing. Walking some more. Oh, is that weed? Logan, there's more weed! Oh, let's look over here. Oh, shit. Oh, no. Ooh. Oh, there's a deep hole here. Alright, I'm gonna... How to fucking move. Fucking grub. Logan doesn't like fish! Guys, I had a nibble! I just had a nibble. Youkers. Yeah. It's gotta be disorienting. Let me see if I can just cast it right along there. Guys, I had more nibbles. Oh shit! Actual fish! I saw it! Another nibble. Oh shit! Big fish! Big fish! Big fucking trout. Like that. Yeah, well. He like. Did it go upstream or down? It was. I think it's like right there. Did it run? It kind of like went up to it and fucking wiggled around a lot. I have to bring my spinner. And I had another nibble there. I think they're just like bouncing off of it. I caught it, but there's a big trout. I'm gonna. Yeah, I have like 7 minutes of recording. Hey, I caught the sauger earlier. And I caught what? Dude, the sauger is good. I still have some in my fridge. I thought I ate it, but I guess my dad saved it and put it back in the fridge.
The first best fish in freshwater.
I'm so excited.
I mean.
Ooh. Oh yeah, it gets deep up there. it gets really deep. Tree stump. Someone cut that. Stuff growing out of it too. Alright, I'm just gonna cast right along there. Good job, Logan. Oh shit, I had one! I had one!
Right there?
Yeah, don't come any closer. Got one! Fuck yes! Got one! Oh my god! He's dinner! I caught fucking dinner! Let's go! Ah shit, I spit on my camera.
Is it a ring?
No, it's brown.
Oh, why was my brown trout, like, its spot was so much bigger and not as much spot?
I don't know. Alright.
Did you stop recording?
Nope, still recording. Let's stab him.
What is it, a rainbow or a bat? Wait, let's get this on video.
No, don't!
Why don't you want to get the stabbing on video?
Don't get fucking demonetized. Fuck you.
Is it a brown trout?
This bitch just slapped my ass. Alright, yep, that's dinner. The limit is like 3 for these guys, I think, so. No!
Well,
what are you doing?
He wants to catch me. Hi, guys! How you want to do that? Broke off? Yeah.
This bitch just stole my fucking rod after I caught this guy. I gotta get a stick so I can like put it through his gill and keep him. I'm gonna go over here and get a stick. Look at this thing! First trout of the year.
You said there's blood. You're gonna get demonetized.
Well, yeah. Well, you can have videos like cleaning fish. So, oh, are these sticks any good?
I'm not lying.
First trout of the motherfucking year. All right, let's get a stick through his gill.
Me, your wife?
No, bro.
Hopefully DNR doesn't see that because it's illegal here.
What do you mean?
I gotta cut that out of your video.
Well, you don't know where we are. That's motherfucking dinner. Oh shit, there's silt.
That's bigger than my truck. You want trade?
No. I'm happy I got one though. I got close a bunch of times today. Look at that guy. He's definitely of legal size, right? Right?
Yeah, he is.
Yeah, let's say he's 20 inches, alright? Yeah. Okay, Logan, can you carry this? Can you carry this? Okay, carry this. I gotta get my rod back.
Wait.
What?
Is that on the highway?
Yeah, that's on the highway.
Bet. I thought we were about to get demonetized.
For what?
Keeping these fish. Wait, not in public.
Yeah, Fraz, give me my fucking rod back.
Oh yeah, you're recording Karen mode.
This kid is stealing my motherfucking rod.
Oh my gosh.
He's gonna rape me. He's raping me.
You just got shit on your face. Oh my gosh, I'm putting it on my flip phone. Putting it on my weird emo friends like Val or Val.
Oh, Val's not emo.
Oh, help.
Got another.
Nope. Val.
Got another.
That's exactly you.
Yeah. No. All right, guys, let's keep going. Y'all saw that, right? Y'all saw that.
I'll be right.
Just keep this ship pointed. I got that. 20 minutes.